JC here at Motorcycle Superstore with Olympia's brand new Expedition jacket. This is the men's version, but behind me in the white you can see the ladies. There is also a matching pant available for both if you'd like to purchase those. Now what you'll find here is essentially a 4-season jacket. It's part of their transition series. That means it uses a lot of adjustability to transition from one season to the next. This uses a 3-layer system. The outer layer is the outer shell, then you have a rainproof layer on the side of that, and then of course inside of that a Thermalite layer for extra heat retention. We'll get into that a little bit more in depth in a second. So on the outside layer, lots of adjustment like we mentioned. Most noticeably, the vent systems. You're going to look at these mega vents, that's what they call these panels. Here you see it closed, here you see it open. This basically just zips down and then tucks inside of itself to the body of the jacket. It's really easy to activate these, and you're going to obviously increase the airflow a ton. You'll see those also on the arm areas, on this inside of the bicep, one on each side. You zip them down, same thing there as we go to the back. More mega vent panels back here. This one is closed, this is open. Really simple to get these activated, and it's going to really give you a lot of adjustability. If you want to zip those halfway down and tuck them in, fine. You don't have to do the full thing. It's really, really adjustable. Now, some other features on this jacket in terms of safety performance. You're going to look at the main chassis, which is a 500 denier Cordura. Also, these mesh panels that we're now exposing, those are 200 denier ballistic air mesh. So it's going to give you good coverage. Underneath that, CE approved armor. This is all articulated armor. So in the shoulders and elbows, the spine pad as well, it's designed to bend and move. It's going to give you extra flexibility with this jacket. So in terms of storage options, pockets here on the side, hand warmer styles. You'll see the zipper garages is up top. Also, this panel is folded down, but over here you can see this is a small pocket. It also doubles as that vent. So if you want to keep it closed, open it up, it uses a mesh liner. That's going to allow for a little bit of air to pass through without having to activate the entire mega vent section. Also, adjustments in terms of fitment here. You're going to see a couple of them on the side. This one uses a snap. These are just simple waist strap adjustments. It's going to give you up to 8 inches of mobility. So it's going to be able to cinch that down, Velcro straps on each side. And for the arms, volume adjustments are typically located on the forearm and the bicep. Olympia is a little different. We see them just use one strap. It's right here on the elbow. It does a great job of keeping this armor where it's supposed to be. If you guys are riding with this jacket, let me know your feedback on that because I'm really interested in the way that they designed this. All right, so some other things to talk about this jacket. Let's go inside. That's essentially it on the outside. You'll see reflective materials that are 3M Scotchlite, high quality, top-notch name brand materials from Olympia here. So this first layer, this is going to be, or rather it's the second layer in the 3-layer system. This is going to be that rain barrier. It's a breathable membrane. The idea behind this is you can leave it in place here, or you can actually remove it and put it over the entire outside of the jacket. This can stand alone as a rain jacket on itself. So you just take it with you. You can use it in casual environments or with the motorcycle application as you see here. Very easy to zip out. If you do decide to remove it, this is that third layer, the insulating Thermalite. This can be removed and then zipped back in without the rain gear in place. So you can pull this out, put it on top, and still keep that heat layer inside. This is a full sleeve insulating layer. It's going to go all the way down, so it's going to give you that full coverage throughout the torso and the arms. Storage on the inside, you do have a small pocket here, also a cell phone pocket, but the storage actually is not quite as expansive as some of the other features on this jacket. So take a look at it. Oh, one other thing, it actually uses a hood. On the back side of the rain jacket, there's a tuck-away hood. You can pull that up. That gives you extra coverage as well. You can actually wear it underneath your helmet. So really a fantastic piece from Olympia. Several different colors. The size that you see here is a size large. This is what Curtis would wear, so you can see his specs and compare it. See more information online, see the colors you like, the sizes you need, and leave me some comments. Don't forget, please subscribe on YouTube for more product videos.